Hi, and welcome back. We're looking at 6 days counting between me and having a new shoulder, and I'm so looking forward to it. It looks like it's going to be nice. The sky is starting to clear. We may have a little break in the weather, and the canyon is starting to wake up. The clouds are starting to move off the top of the hills, and I think it'll be a great day to go out there and do a little trekking. And so Miss Guy's not with me today. Her owner came and hooked her up again last night, so she'll be tied up for a little while. That could be a good thing because I'm going to be out of action for a little while. Although I don't like to see her tied up, she doesn't belong to me, and I'm not sure exactly the whole story, except for I do know they got her to have puppies, and since then she got loose and she found me, and then she's been my friend for a couple of years, and this goes on like this. So she may be back up here within a couple days to visit for 3 or 4. I got plenty of food for her, and she's okay. So that's the way it is back here. 5th grade education? Probably, yeah. Okay, so it is what it is, and I am going to get out there and do some hiking today. So this is Swish. Hi, Swish. And this is Missy. Hi, Missy Miss. Well, I'm never shy of dogs or friends to walk with up here. So whenever they see me, I feel like the little Pied Piper, old woman running around with crazy stray dogs. Well, who knows what it means? Oh, I've got my breath back. We did quite a climb, and I am doing this at 128 steps per minute, and this is really pretty. Still a little nippy out today, and I found this today. This is kind of cool. In the scene, a cactus curl up, so there is a pool of water in there, and I'll bet you that's enough water to hatch a whole bunch of mosquitoes if we're having problems with mosquitoes, which we really don't. So let's finish our walk. It's really pretty. There's no wind blowing, and Missy is sitting there waiting patiently for me. She walks with me all the time before Sky started coming around. You ready to go, Miss? Huh? You ready? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Gotta get the sticks on. Don't walk down hills without them. And to do that without my GoPro, I'm going to have to turn the camera off. That will be the end of the scene. She's taking a shortcut. These are pretty old. Prickly pear. Those things are at least 20 feet high. Look at all those hearts. Look at all those. Oh, she's back. Hi, Missy Miss. way. I was gonna go this way, but I spy my snack. And this is why you have waterproof boots. You can sneak in and grab a little bit of gold. Here they come. Okay, I'm coming. Let's go. Let's go this way. Who knows? We might end up in with another coyote event today. On the way over here, I saw one scoot by us. Dogs didn't see it. But I'll leave this in here just in case they do spot that coyote. I'm going to be walking a lot of this one particular route for the next couple months, just to keep my exercise going, and I'm sure these dogs are going to want to go with me every time. And at the bottom of this one particular farm road is a reservoir, and that black lab, that is absolutely irresistible for her. They are so hard to see. Oh, okay, I got you now. Okay, there. Okay. happens when you take your eye off of those things. There it is. Uh-oh. There goes Swish. Oh, he's after her. That's the end of that. There goes Missy. Okay. My arm's tired. There it is. Uh-oh. There goes Swish. Oh, he's after her. Most of this tree has gone to market. But for those of you who have not seen a blood orange, it's called blood because of the color of the juice it has. I picked a couple and we're going to see what it looks like inside. This is a blood orange. It's a small one. Usually they're about twice as big as this. And this is what they look like on the inside. And this is what the juice looks like. And it's sweet, sour, and they're actually very delicious. So that's a blood orange. I am almost done with the videoing today. We got a great view of the coyote up there yelling at us and the dog's going after it. I got some pictures of some nice flowers and things like that. And I think I'm going to finish my walk and we'll be calling it a day when I turn this camera back on myself once again and finish my walk with Missy. Swish got home and he got in trouble for leaving and not telling Mom that he was leaving home. So we're going to keep walking with Missy because she belongs on this farm. Okay, I think I'm going to call it a day with the video. I got to do some time editing. Tomorrow I have to go to town and I want to say happy birthday to my mom. It's her 86th birthday today. Happy birthday, Mom. I know you'll be watching this and I had to say happy birthday to you. I love you. And I'm also going to be eating dinner with the landlord, the owner of the farm tonight. Thank you, Gail. I appreciate you letting me stay here. And the rest of this is just another adventure. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.